We got the Savory Heat gloves out today. This is a perfect example of using these gloves right here. You can turn the heat on and just go. So if you're snowmobiling or you're like me, you're out on an e-bike in the snow like this is a great time to have your fingers nice and warm. It's crazy having like heat on your hands while you're out in this stuff because it is cold, everybody. Not too bad. Oh, the MOVCAN, holding the snow. Doing well in the snow. You know, these little fat tire e-bikes seem to go pretty good in the snow. You just got to wear the proper gear. I do have goggles on, so that way I can see where I'm going. If I was just trying to wing it, the snow would be blinding me right now. This bike goes surprisingly well in this stuff. The MOVCAN, pulling it out.